Hi, I just wanted to record a quick video to show you how to enter regression models using Desmos. So here's the problem that we're going to use right here. Use cubic regression to find a function that fits the following points. Go ahead and pause and write down those values, those coordinate points, because I'm going to switch over to Desmos here. Whoop, and I've already got it in here. We'll start over. Okay, to do regression in Desmos, first thing we need to do is give it a table of values to consider. So I'm going to tap that plus button, and then I need to enter a table. And then since I wrote down those values on another page, I can start entering those in. So my first point was 1, 4, second point 2, 9, and I'm just plotting all these points from the data set that it gave us. And then the final point is -2, -11. Okay, so now I've got my table, and then we just need to notice what's the name of these. What does Desmos think the first column and the second column is called? It calls it x1, y1, like it's the first x and the second, and the first y. So then I need to go down here and give it, I want it to guess. You can see these points right here that it plotted them right here. A regression is going to guess, it's going to be a line of best fit. What's the line that's going to best fit all those points? And Desmos is pretty slick with how you do it. First thing I'm going to do is start with the output column, and that was called Y1. Then you just need to go to this ABC here and hit the little tilde. And then in your problem, if you remember, it said use cubic regression. So cube is a power of 3. So I know that I'm going to have my first power is going to be raised to the 3rd. And you can kind of tell from SLS, it gives you that format. It should be x, something x cubed plus something x squared, and so on. And then also notice that I gave it, I named it x1, x sub 1, because that's the only x that Desmos knows about right now. Oh, and sorry, I also need to give it a coefficient. It's going to be ax, something ax cubed, and then I just need to plug in the rest of the table. So then we would have bx squared, oh, sorry, it's bx sub 1 squared plus, just go in alphabetical order, cx sub 1, and then plus our constant, which would be d. I'll minimize that, and look at that. That is a pretty good model right there. It matches it perfectly. So it gives me my parameters right here. My first coefficient a equals 2, second coefficient b equals -2, c equals -3, and then my constant is 7. So I just need to go back and plug those in. I'll go back. So right here, my first answer, I believe it said a was 2. And then I would hit enter. Okay, hope that helps.